With the Delta variant, school back in session, and people back at work, COVID continues to spread. Our Nixon Norman tells us why it's important to know your COVID status and if at-home COVID tests are reliable.
Well, when we have community transmission that is in the double-digit range, and certainly about 21, 22% on any given day, community transmission, we've got a lot of COVID. Obviously, with a lot of COVID, we've got a lot of people with symptoms that could be compatible with COVID, therefore a need for increased numbers of tests.
There are a couple reasons why. The Delta variant being one, and the other being,
as we are returning to a semblance of normalcy, people getting out more. So that's, of course, putting people more at risk.
Simply knowing your COVID status could help protect everyone.
You're protecting those around you and not spreading the virus. That's the big thing when it comes to testing.
If you have COVID, you do not need to be going to work. You do not need to be out and about exposing other people to your disease.
Thinking about testing yourself at home? Well, you can, and you can do so with accuracy.
What I remind people about home testing is, again, if you have a lot of symptoms and you get a negative, you need to check with your doctor. If you have a lot of symptoms and you get a positive, you need to check with your doctor.
But regardless of where or how you test, if you are experiencing symptoms of COVID, it's recommended to see a healthcare provider.
While the reliability is probably pretty good, you're still going to need to interact with a healthcare provider regarding those results. So again, it's a matter of choice, but keep in mind that you still need to interact with a healthcare provider regarding the results of your test.
Nixon Norman, Fox 54 News.